Hi everyone. Today we're going to build our very own haunted cemetery scene, just in time for Halloween. We'll be using the Delightex Edu library and Objaverse to bring our spooky world to life. And later, we'll add some simple co-blocks to make our scene interactive and fun. Let's get started. First, we'll build a fence to outline our cemetery. Place a cuboid and give it a texture. Now, duplicate it, attach it to the top, and scale it a bit. Add a different texture. This will be the top of our fence. Next, grab a fence object from the library. Adjust its length. Let's add a lantern to the top. Search for one in the Objaverse library. Duplicate your fence pole. Move it over and make it taller. This will be part of the cemetery entrance. Keep duplicating your fence pieces until you've surrounded your whole graveyard. Now let's add some details. Use 3D text to create a spooky caption for your cemetery. We'll also need some old, twisted trees, so let's search Objaverse again. Place the trees around your cemetery, and don't forget a few pumpkins for that Halloween glow. Add in some tombstones from Objaverse and spread them around. You can use the botany object to quickly cover large areas with grass and plants. Try adjusting the colors to make everything look a little darker and creepier. And remember, duplicating objects helps you fill the scene faster. Let's make a path that leads through the cemetery. Choose a path item, add a texture, and set it to curved. Be sure to check Show in Play mode so it appears when you test your world. To make the landscape more interesting, add a big stone or two. You can proceed with finishing up your fence around the rest of the cemetery. Let's see how we can add more details and characters to our scene in the next video.